Hello everyone, welcome to the final solution video for Unit 1, Lesson 3, Exercise 5. This question was actually taken from CMC University of Waterloo's Python learning module, and I modified a little bit to help it more related to what we've been learning so far, but the problem is a very effective problem. So, to our left, we have City of Maxime and City of Miniac, where there are two routes that I can take a truck from City of Maxim to City of Miniac and backwards. So one route has three little bridges, each with a weight limit of A, B, and C. We do not know what those values are, but those values will be inputted for us from the user. And same with this route here, where we have two bridges with their weight limit of D and E respectively. And what we're trying to figure out is, well, what would be the maximum weight I can carry from City of Maxim to City of Miniac without going over the weight limit. So let's start our program. We have 5 different inputs, so let's start with those inputs first. Input. So we're gonna go weight A is equal to integer input, and I gotta leave it blank. So for this question here, I'm gonna show you what happens if I leave the prompt blank and in our input. Since the code is very repetitive here, I'm just gonna copy that code and run that, copy it over like that, and change up our variable name. So I have weight of A, B, C, D, and E. They're all integer inputs for the weight limit of each bridge. And let's do our processing part. What we're interested in is the greatest amount of weight we can be carrying from each city. So we can say the greatest weight can be, well, there are two routes, so I need to compare route 1 and route 2. So let's say the max of route 1 and route 2. So right now I'm using two variables I haven't declared yet. So right now, if I were to run this code, it would give me an error at line 22 once I reach that point. So since I haven't declared them, let's declare them above our current line there. So we're going to say route 1 is equal to something, and route 2 is also equal to something. Okay, so route 1 is going to be analyzing the weight limits of A, B, and C. So since they are weight limits, the maximum amount of weight I can carry in route 1, sorry, excuse me, forgetting those underscores. The maximum weight limit I can carry on route 1 would be the smallest of variables A, B, and C. It would be the minimum of weight of A, weight of B, and weight C. Next, route 2, same idea, just analyzing the weight of D and E. So we can go min of weight D and weight of E. So now I have these two variables that I haven't declared before, all been declared. Now we'll be able to find the value for greatest weight. So let's do our output. We can say that print the maximum weight to be carried is, let's say, greatest weight. And that would give us a proper output. Let's run this code. Let's say weight limit of A is 5, B is 10, C is 30, D is 20, and E is 25. So the maximum weight to be carried is 20, which is the smaller value between D and E. However, that 20 is greater than the smallest value between A, B, and. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.